Okay, another quick video on the Chevy Cobalt. This is going to be for the Evap vent valve. Down here on the back we've got a code for this valve sticking open, and sometimes the car dies or won't start back up after you fill it up full of fuel. So this is a kind of common code. We're just right back at the very rear of the vehicle looking straight forward. So I have the camera right underneath the spare tire well. So this is the sensor that we're working with. Here it is right here. This one comes with a different pigtail, as you can see. So we're going to replace it all together. So we're just going to disconnect that. We've got to give it a pretty good ugga-dugga, lefty-loosey, and then this thing should wiggle and come out. There is an O-ring inside there, so depending on how stuck yours is, you may or may not have to pry it out with a screwdriver. Let's see if I can get mine out one-handed while I'm videoing here. Yeah, there we go. So you can test one of these things on the bench if you wanted to. I know this one is bad and it is stuck wide open. So we'll just toss it there on the ground. Make sure it's not too filthy inside there. Then we can get our new one in. New one is a little bit tight of a fit. You may find that you have to move your charcoal canister just a little bit to get it started in there. You have to push it past the O-ring there. So just kind of push forward as you wiggle. There we go. Then we'll turn it until it clicks into place. Now, since this harness is a little bit longer, you're going to want to take a few zip ties and zip tie it up here on top. That way it's not hanging on the ground. But that's going to do it if you have a code for your Evap vent valve.